In this video, you can know about complete garment manufacturing process. Basic block.
ব্লক প্যাটার্ন তৈরি করা হয় এক্স্যাক্ট স্ট্যান্ডার্ড বডি মেজারমেন্ট ফলো করে। কোনো ধরনের বিউটিফিকেশন বা অ্যালাউন্স দেওয়া হয় না।
Sample making. Sample making in garment industry is the creation of physical prototypes from design concepts to confirm fit, materials, and construction before mass production begins. Pattern making.
প্রথমেই আমরা প্যাটার্ন মেকিং কি তা জেনে নিই। প্যাটার্ন মেকিং হলো একটি গার্মেন্টের ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল পার্টসগুলোর এক্স্যাক্ট ইমেজ তৈরি করার যে পদ্ধতি, যেটা তৈরি করা হয় এক ধরনের শক্ত বোর্ড পেপারে। আর এই বিশেষ ধরনের বোর্ড পেপারটির নাম হচ্ছে প্যাটার্ন পেপার।
Pattern grading.
T-shirt front size medium. If your grading rule is 2 inches for size large, you increase half of an inch at the chest, waist, and hem. Quarter of an inch for the neck width, and 3/8 of an inch for the shoulder width. And even if you don't grade in length, you still need to increase the armhole depth. So shoulder line should go up by quarter of an inch, and center front neck can be go up only 1/8 of an inch.
Marker making.
In apparel manufacturing, a marker is a special kind of stencil that illustrates how pattern pieces of one or more garments should be cut from several layers of fabric. The person who arranges the marker is the marker planner. It's his or her job to arrange the pattern pieces efficiently, wasting as little of the fabric as possible. The percentage of fabric cut into pieces is called the pattern yield. When the yield is high, the arrangement of pieces is described as a tight marker, and the percentage of fabric actually used is its material utilization. The marker paper is the same width as the fabric to be cut. Traditionally, the marker planner draws full-scale tracings of pattern pieces using tagboard patterns as a guide. It's an exacting process in which every square inch of fabric that can be used is used. To increase the yield, planners draw markers that include multiple sizes of the garment. These sizes are generated from the grading process. Creating a tight marker can be a challenge, especially when it includes multiple sizes. Fortunately, computer-aided design, which has had such a significant impact on the textile and apparel industry in the last 20 years, also has made marker creation and grading fast and accurate.
Fabric spreading. Fabric spreading is the essential preparatory process of laying fabric plies in superimposed layers to the exact length and width specified by a cutting marker. This process ensures accurate fabric alignment, tension-free layers, and smooth surfaces, all crucial for preparing fabric for efficient bulk cutting and the production of high-quality garments. Fabric cutting. Manual fabric cutting. Auto fabric cutting. Sorting. Sorting in cutting refers to the process of grouping and organizing cut pieces by characteristics like size, color, style, or type. Sewing. The sewing section is the heart of a garment's factory, where fabric pieces from the cutting section are assembled into complete garments using various sewing machines, threads, and needles. Quality inspection. Quality inspection in a sewing line involves checking garments at various stages of production for defects in measurements, stitching, materials, and overall appearance. Finishing iron. Pressing iron is a tool or machine used in the final stages of garment production to remove unwanted creases, set in desired pleats, and mold the fabric by applying heat and pressure, often with steam. Final inspection. Packing. Cartoning.
পঁচাত্তর পিসের কার্টুন পঁচাত্তর পেয়ার আর কি না পঁচাত্তর পেয়ার
Delivery to buyer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe this channel.